Hey, it's Eran here. I'm going to show you exactly how to create the privacy policy, the terms and conditions, cookie policy, and so on, and how I do it. So this is my website. I create a page. Okay, I put the header called cookie policy. Okay, so then the URL here, like if I change this, let's say, then this URL will change as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep it cookie policy because that's what it should be. There's the title, and then I copy and pasted it right here. Okay. Now, the way I created it is on this website called websitepolicies.com, which I will leave a link for you to get. You don't have to do it that way. You could also do it free. This actually costs money. You pay probably about 10 or 15 bucks to get every one of these, okay? But it's done for you. It's created for you, and I'll show you exactly. So I've already created the cookie policy. So what I'll do is I'll show you a demo of creating the privacy policy. So basically, you click this, okay, because I've already bought it. So I already bought it. It says, looks like you did not complete the questionnaire. So then you click on Get Started, okay, and then you select where you're located. So I'm going to choose that. So I'm in Australia. I'm in Western Australia. It will be used for a website. The URL of the website is eranbucai.com. What is the name of the website? Eran Bucai. Next, you see there's the progress bar here. Do you operate your website under a company name? Yes. What is the name of the company? Bucai Enterprises. Okay. You could say no if it's not. Everybody's different. Can users sign and create an account on your website? Yes, you can sign up for an account. They will be in the future, so I'll just say yes. I collect email, name, phone number, because sometimes they also opt in for information. So I'll just do that as well. Credit card information, yes. Billing address, yes. Not really bank information. Yes, they have full access. I'm just going to do that because in the future they might do that, so I'll just leave it like that. Okay, do you market to children under 13? No. Can users publish anything on your website, articles, comments, images? Yes, they can. Share content available on your website on social networks? Yes, they can. Do you sell products and services on your website? Yes, we sell products and services on the website. Do you offer third-party products or services? Yes, because that's affiliate programs. Do you share user information with these third parties? Yes, I'm just going to say yes because with some affiliate programs, maybe I am sharing information. So I'll just do it that way. How do you process payments? User can pay via remote third party. I don't actually have a user on the website. So no, I don't have that. So that's an external third party. Okay, next. Yes, I use cookies. It won't affect if they stop using it. Yeah. Does your app respond to do not track signals? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does. Okay. Next. Yes, it has affiliate links. Does it have ads? Google Ads, buy, sell? No, it doesn't. Do you send email newsletters to your users? Yes. Do you use third-party email service? Yes. That's get response. Can users easily unsubscribe? Yes, they can. Do you collect users from remarketing? So this is important, like Google or Facebook Pixel, stuff like that. So yes, I do. Next, in things like this, you honestly probably want to put the more clauses, the better. Then you're better off saying more than less. Yes, GDPR. GDPR is just a European privacy policy, so you want to say yes to that for sure. What kind of responsive action will you take if you have data breach? Notify via email. Yeah. Will you disclose user information? I'm just going to say this via email. Will you disclose user information to law enforcement if you put a lawful request? Yeah. If there's a legal reason, of course. We share information in event of business sale. Yep. In case there's a business sale. Yep. How will you notify users of this policy updates? Update the modifications. Date. Yep. Good. Create my privacy policy. And there you go. It's been created for me. Okay. So there's a few things you could do. You could embed it straight in. You can take the plain text. What I do in my case, I just take this right here, scroll all the way down. Oops. Let's go scroll all the way up. Copy. And let's open a tab. So first of all, let me just save this. So this is going to be a completed thing. Okay, so update. And this is now complete. And then I'll do a new page. New page, yep. So this is the cookie policy, and I'm going to create a privacy policy. So add the title, privacy policy. Okay. Like that. Add all the information. I just pasted it in, right? And then it's just literally has all the information included, basically straight in. And that's it, right? So it's just beautifully done. And so on, okay? Now you wanna add the snippet here. So here you just give what this is for search engine optimization. This page was created to disclose the privacy policy for any website visitors. Okay. I can hide the header, hide the footer. I don't really care about hiding, so I won't do that. And that's it. So let's see what it will look like. Publish. And it's now been published. So let's see what it looks like. See, this is the URL, right? URL, you can just view the page. And there you go, okay? It's all done, all the information, all compliant, and so on. Of course, you could read through that and so on, but it just helps that this is just helps all the information. So again, you can go ahead and figure all this out on your own. You could go to any website, copy and paste their stuff and all that and so on, and figure it out. I would rather pay $15 and this take me literally 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So obviously now I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go to my policies, and you'll see if I ever wanna change it also, let's say I go to privacy policy, I can always change it as well, right? If I wanna make modifications and so on, I can actually do different modifications and so on, okay? Let's see, manage custom clauses. What's that? Oh yeah, I can add clauses if I want, and so on. So yeah, so that's pretty straightforward. Let's go to my policies, and then you see everything that I paid for. And then you can always go to create new policy. Let's just say these new policies. So if you have I created the privacy policy, cookie policy and terms and conditions. I don't really have a refund policy, so that's not really applicable for me. It's not like e-commerce. Cookie consent banner. Okay, so you can get a banner created. Okay, so that's another thing you can create. I actually used a different software for that already. Okay, which I'll share it with you. It's this one called cookieinfoscript.com. Okay, that's what I used. But yeah, you can choose any of these, and it's very helpful. It literally just does it like that. It's pretty straightforward. You just choose the one that you want, and you go through the survey, and that's it. So it costs, I think, $10 or $15. It's pretty affordable, but saves you a ton of time. And there we go. Hope it helps, and we'll speak soon.